How to wash a fleece jacket. When it comes to outdoor clothes, fleece is one of the most beloved items. Not only is the lightweight fabric warm and cozy, especially modern versions with technologies like Omni-Heat Helix, but it's also durable, breathable, and quick drying. Plus, it wicks away moisture while you sweat to feel more comfortable against your skin. However, fleece requires special care when it comes to washing. Improper washing can lead to damage, shrinking, pilling, and loss of softness. But with the proper care, your fleece jackets, pullovers, and accessories will maintain their warmth, comfort, and appearance for many seasons. Let's take a look at the best way to wash fleece clothing and some other essential care and maintenance tips for your fleece. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to deciding when and how to wash, using the washing machine and washing by hand. Now let's talk about the process. Things you'll need. Using the washing machine. 1. Fleece jacket. 2. Washing machine. 3. Powdered detergent. 4. Baking soda. 5. Hanger. Washing by hand. 1. Fleece jacket. 2. Bucket or sink. 3. Powdered detergent. 4. Soft scrub brush. 5. Water. 6. Hanger. Method 1. Deciding when and how to wash. Number 1. Wash your fleece jacket after 6 to 7 wears. You can wear your fleece several times without washing it, as the fabric is durable and tough against stains. If you overwash your fleece, the fabric may start to pill. In addition, clean your jacket whenever it is noticeably dirty. For example, if you've gone on a hiking trip and got very muddy, wash your jacket as soon as you get home. Number 2. Use the washing machine if you want a fast and easy method. You can easily wash your fleece jacket in your washing machine. If you do this, be sure to wash your jacket with similar colors. If possible, wash it with other fleece clothing. Avoid washing your jacket with other items that may cause lint, such as towels and washcloths. You can wash it in the washer on the delicate cycle. Use a small amount of toxin-free natural detergent. If you want to remove static electricity, you can use wool dryer balls during the dryer cycle. Number 3. Wash your fleece jacket by hand to avoid any fabric pilling. Do this if your tag recommends it or if you want to avoid any pilling on your jacket. Some particular fleece jackets require hand washing because of their fabric of any dyes used. While washing your fleece by hand takes a bit more work, it is still easy to do. While using a cold water setting with a washing machine often avoids pilling, the machine can cause the fabric to pill over time. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Using the washing machine. Number 1. Turn the jacket inside out before you wash it. Flip the neck of your jacket inside, pull the sleeves into the main body, and turn it inside out. This way, the outer fleece stays protected as you wash it. In addition, ensure there is nothing in the pockets of your jacket before you wash it. If you leave paper in the pockets, your jacket will get covered in lint, which is almost impossible to remove. Number 2. Use mild soap powder rather than liquid detergent. To keep your fleece soft and water-resistant, purchase mild powdered detergent and review the instructions on the package regarding how much to use. For a small load, use around 5 ounces, 141.8 g. Liquid detergent contains chemicals that strip away the waterproof coating on your fleece jacket. Number 3. Use the lowest temperature setting to avoid damaging your jacket. Turn your wash temperature to the cold setting before you start the load. If you use a warm wash setting, your fabric may start to pill. If you use a hot wash setting, the fabric may melt. Number 4. Mix the mild powder detergent with some water to prevent soap residue. Pour your powdered detergent into a small bowl and add 5 to 10 drops of water to the bowl. Mix it up with a spoon to liquefy your detergent. This helps cut down on extra soap residue when you wash your jacket. If you place the powdered detergent directly into the washing machine, it may be too concentrated and result in a lot of soap residue. Number 5. Add baking soda to your detergent mixture if your fleece smells funky. If you notice an odd odor on your jacket, use baking soda along with your detergent to get rid of the smell. Mix about 2 to 4 tablespoons, 29.6 to 59.2 g, into your detergent mixture before pouring it into the washing machine. Baking soda is known to absorb unpleasant odors and works great when washing clothing. Number 6. Pour your detergent mixture into the machine and start your wash cycle. Press the Start button after you add your detergent. Then, come back after your wash cycle is completed. Most machines take 45 to 60 minutes to wash your clothing. If you are washing your fleece by itself or with a few items, use a light wash cycle. If you are washing a full load of laundry, use a larger wash cycle, based on the options listed on your particular machine. Number 7. Hang the jacket on a hanger and let it air dry. After your clothes are washed, open up your washing machine and pull out your fleece jacket. Place the jacket on a hanger and zip it up. Leave the jacket in a dry place for 1 to 2 hours so it can air dry. Avoid using the dryer when washing your fleece jacket. Even a light heat cycle can cause your fleece to pill, and the heat can damage your jacket. If you washed other clothing with your fleece, you can put them in the dryer. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Washing by hand. Number 1. Fill a bucket or your sink mostly full of cold water. Use cool water from your faucet, and fill your bucket about 2/3 of the way full so your jacket can completely soak. You can also use a large plastic bin. Number 2. Mix your powder detergent in cold water thoroughly. When washing only one item of clothing, you only need a small amount of detergent. Be sure to read over the directions on your detergent packaging. Typically, you can use about 2 ounces, 56.7 g, of powdered detergent for your jacket. Pour this into the bucket or sink, and mix it around using a spoon. Mix up the detergent as best as you can to avoid any extra soap residue. Number 3. Soak your jacket in the soap concoction and scrub it with a brush. Place your fleece jacket into the bucket or sink, and submerge it entirely in the water. Locate a soft scrub brush, and move it in small, circular movements on your jacket to lift up any dirt and debris. You can work in 2 to 4 in 5.1 to 10.2 centimeters areas for best results. Scrub each side of your jacket for a thorough clean. Number 4. Rinse your fleece in cool water to remove dirt, debris, and soap. Once you're finished scrubbing your jacket, pull it out of the water and hold it underneath of cool running water. Rinse your jacket thoroughly to get rid of dirt and soap residue. Your jacket is rinsed completely when you no longer see soap bubbles dripping off. Number 5. Empty your sink or bucket after you take out the jacket. Pour the water mixture down your drain, and rinse out your bucket with clean cool water. Continue cleaning your bucket until all soap residue is gone. If you don't clean your bucket or sink right away, the soap residue will stick on and be more difficult to remove down the line. Number 6. Let your jacket air dry to avoid any fabric pilling. Wring out any extra water, and place your jacket on a hanger. Then, hang it up in a dry place, like your bedroom or bathroom. Your jacket should dry in 1 to 2 hours. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. If you want to remove any superficial pet hair, simply wet a rubber glove with cold water and wipe off the fleece. 2. Check the tag to see the manufacturer's cleaning recommendations. Each brand of fleece has particular washing instructions. 3. If your fleece jacket has any pilling, you can use a fabric shaver or a disposable razor to get rid of it. Run the razor back and forth across the pilling with light pressure. With a bit of pressure, the small balls of fabric will lift up. Then, stick a piece of duct tape over top to pull it off of your jacket. 4. Store your fleece in a drawer or a closet rather than out in the open. Fleece easily picks up dust and lint. Warnings. 1. Do not use liquid detergent, fabric softeners, or dryer sheets when cleaning fleece jackets. These products contain chemicals that will eat away at the water-resistant finish on your jacket. 2. Do not use heat when washing your fleece jacket. Using a hot heat setting or iron press can cause your fleece to melt. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.